Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix Windows cannot connect to the printer operation failed with error 0x0000000012. Let's go start. Search the Registry Editor in the Windows search bar and click on Registry Editor. Then click on HKEY Local Machine. Then click on System. Then click on CurrentControlSet. Then click on Control. Scroll down. Then click on Print. Then click on Print and go to the right site. Just search for RpcAuthnLevelPrivacyEnabled, and if you don't find it here, then type it here. Right-click on it and New, keyword, 32-bit value. Type for RpcAuthnLevelPrivacyEnabled. Right-click on it and go to Modify and set the value 0, then click OK. Close the window. Press the Windows key and type in the Control Panel and click on Control Panel into the search bar. Then click on Network and Sharing Center. Then click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Under your current profile, Private, turn on Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing. Under All Networks, try turning off password-protected sharing, then click Save Change. Close the window. Go to this PC. Right-click on Go to Manage from the list. Then click Device Manager. Then click Print Queues. Select your printer and right-click on it. Update driver from list. The best drivers for your device are already installed. Press the Windows key Search for Services and click the top result to open the console. Locate Print Spooler in the list of services. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Restart from the context menu. Then click Yes. Wait for the printer spooler service to restart. Restart your computer. And go to the client PC. Open the any browser and type your printer model, then click. Download the printer driver from the Direct Printer website. Install the printer driver. Select Dynamic Mode and click Next. Click Finish. Go to the Control Panel. Then click Devices and Printers. Click Add a Printer. Click The printer that I want isn't listed. Select Share a printer by name. Enter the network path to the printer, i.e. //computer name /shared printer name, as the port name. You've successfully added printer. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see next video.